Good evening, friends. Following Operation Sindoor, India has seen growing calls to boycott Turkey due to its supports for Pakistan. After the Pahalgam attack led a conflict between the two neighboring countries. Among the measures taken are trip cancellation, suspension of institutional partnership, the revocation of Celebi's aviation's license. Celebi's aviation stocks have fallen around 20% in last 2 days due to India's action. Here is the list of moves taken in India against Turkey. First is Jamia Millia Islamia. JMI has declared the suspension of its academic memorandum of understanding with all of Turkey's educational institutions, stating national security considerations. Lovely Professional University ends all MOUs with Turkey as it upholds national security as main priority. JNU also has cancelled a MOU signed with Turkey's INOU University citing the national security considerations. Hyderabad Maulana Azad National Urdu University also scrapped an MOU signed with Turkey's Yunus Emre Institute with immediate effect. As earlier mentioned, the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, the security division of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, cancelled the license of Turkish firm Celebi Aviation on Thursday. The company offers ground handling services at 9 major airports across India. Travel platforms like EaseMyTrip, Cox and Kings, Ixigo has halted their bookings to Turkey. Even the common food traders have started boycotting Turkish goods. Turkey supplied drones to Pakistan, which were used in attacks against India. That's why we have decided to stop selling Turkish fruits. ANI quoted Shadab Khan, a local food trader, as saying so. As agony is too high, the Udaipur marble traders terminated business with Turkey for aligning with Pakistan amid the ongoing tensions between India and Pakistan. Common people anger is raising for Turkey as India helped the Turkey at the time of earthquake in Turkey, and they have responded very badly to India. Even the film industry bodies like Federation of Western India Cine Employees and All India Cine Workers Association have declared boycott on shooting locations in Turkey for its support to Pakistan during the conflict with India, to give the financial losses to the Turkey all around. In addition, every Indian is trying to neutralize Turkey like its drones by boycotting the traveling to the Turkey locations. Singers and celebrities are also cancelling their shows in Turkey. Like Vishal Mishra has decided to cancel his shows in Turkey, never ever going to Turkey and Azerbaijan. No leisure, no consent. Mark my words, never, he said. Finally, Mother Nature has also given a lesson to Turkey people, as there was a 5.2 magnitude earthquake in Turkey again, and this time the backstabber has not got any help from Indian. Hope Indian curses give them a very good lesson and they die like a coward life. Thank you. Jai Hind.